front of Speedbird 2. If you could pass on to your colleagues, I suspect they might get it by ground line anyway, that our people would like us to land the Edinburgh at 03, the around the bay at 05.5 and us at 08. And currently we're estimating Ockham at 48. Well, we're anticipating that's in the whole area of the director controllers and of Heathrow approach. But you know, we've got the capacity to hold at Ockham to make those timings. But we're getting to Ockham as quickly as we can to keep the options open.
123.6, Speedbird 2, thanks, bye. Sunny, good afternoon, Speedbird Concorde 2, descending flight level 280.
1280.
70, Speedbird 2. Radar heading 095, Speedbird 2. 13475, Speedbird 2, thanks for your help, cheers. Sunny, good afternoon, Speedbird Concorde 2, descending flight level 270 on a heading of 095. Last time, direct to Ockham, descend 140, level 40 before, Speedbird 2.
And Speedbird 2, I don't know whether it's yours to pass on to your colleague, but what our company would like us to do is to land this aircraft at 08, having landed the Edinburgh 03 and the around the bay at 05.5. We're going to Ockham as rapidly as we can, and then thereafter we're in their hands. I think what they want to try and avoid doing is landing anything actually on the hour, and I don't think we can get down before the hour, so it's after the hour looks better. Well, and for you, without all the help and support that we've had from air traffic control across the UK, and particularly in Latvia, we couldn't have done all that's been done in the last 27 years, and we're very grateful. Touche.
From the control, good evening, from the Airlines-British Airways-Singapore Airlines.
134.12, Speedbird 2, thank you for your kind wishes and for your help, thank you. Speedbird Concorde 2.
Speedbird 2, London, good afternoon, go ahead.
We're at 150, descending 140, proceeding direct to Ockham, which if we kept the speed up, we would be there at 48. I think what the intention from company is that nobody lands on the hour. They want us either all before the hour or all after. I think all before the hour doesn't look achievable. So I think what they're looking for is first landing 03, second 05.5, and us at 08. Okay, all we need to know then is how far you're going to take us downwind and how far you're going to bring us in so we can work out the time from Ockham to touchdown. Okay, we're continuing to Ockham, we're keeping the speed up for the moment.
1000 pitch, Concorde N, line star 391.
Silent, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, London, go.
Our calculations, assuming that we're going to be taking 20 miles downwind or 22 miles downwind and then a base leg 22 miles back again, we think we need about 17 minutes from Ockham to touchdown, and so we think we're going to need to come off Ockham at time 5:1.
That's understood, Speedbird 2, and what's your estimate for getting to Ockham at the moment?
We're just slowing to try and achieve that.
That's understood, Speedbird 2. Speedbird 2. Okay, the plan is after Ockham you'll be vectored over the top of Heathrow, then a right-hand downwind for a 20-mile final. Okay, stand by.
We're estimating Ockham now at 50 and 30 seconds, and we're happy with whatever plans you and your colleagues want to make to try and reach that 03 to 08 touchdown window for the three aircraft.
Okay, Speedbird 2, yep, that's all in hand for the three of you. Descend now, flight level 90.
Speedbird 2, descend flight level 90.
Surgeon 23, repeat 2 for information. Alpha Fox is presently holding Ockham just inbound to the beacon. The South will be beneath you.
Speedbird 2, understood.
Speedbird 2, contact Heathrow Director now, frequency 134.907, and welcome home from the last time.
134.97, Speedbird 2, thanks very much indeed for all your help and your colleagues' help over all the years. We couldn't have done it without you.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye. Good afternoon. For the last time, Speedbird Concorde 2 is out of 100, descending 90 to Ockham.
Speedbird 2, Roger. Enter the hold, but only going to be a very, very short delay.
Okay, enter the hold, and any idea how long the delay is so we can fine-tune our planning?
Probably just one orbit to the right.
Okay, Speedbird 2.
Tune S790, descend for right now, right turn, heading 010.
Right turn, radar heading 010, Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, when you get to Ockham, make a left turn, heading 010 degrees.
Speedbird 2, our Ockham, left turn, heading 010. Do you want us at 250 now?
Yes, please. Frequency 127.52.
That's 752, bye.
Bye. Golf Alpha Foxtrot, turn right on heading of 075 degrees.
Right, 075, Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, fly heading now 050 degrees.
050, Speedbird 2.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, descend flight level 70.
Descend flight level 70, Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, turn left heading 010.
Heading 010, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, descend flight level 80.
And descend flight level 80, Speedbird 2.
I'll take you just overhead Heathrow, then right-hand circuit, landing 27 right.
Lovely job.
Speedbird 2, descend now to altitude 4,000 feet, the QNH 1021 millibars.
And descend 4,1021, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, turn right heading 020 degrees.
Right, 020, Speedbird 2.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, descend now to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1021 millibars.
Descend at 5,000 feet on 1021, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, you're going to pass right overhead West Drayton.
Speedbird 2, well, I'm very pleased. I wish we could see you, but you've just gone right through a cloud.
Understood.
Direct, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox. Just confirming we're expecting to land Alpha Echo, Alpha Fox in the 002.
Fox, Speedbird 2, that's correct. Alpha Echo's got about 27 miles from touchdown.
Okay, thanks very much.
Speedbird 2, turn right heading 050.
Speedbird 2, right, 050.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, descend now to altitude 3,000 feet.
Descend at 3,000, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Foxtrot, contact radar, frequency 120.4 for your final approach.
Director 1204, final approach, final time, thank you.
Speedbird 2, they've all rushed out to the door now to look you over the top.
Now, don't you go.
Go just yet. Speedbird 2, descend now to altitude 3,000 feet.
Speedbird 2, descend 3,000.
Speedbird 2, turn right on heading of 100 degrees downwind.
Speedbird 2, right, 100.
Speedbird 2, there's only meant to be me and you on this frequency, but I'm sure there's a lot more people listening to what's going on at the moment. Would you like to say something to them on the RT? It's all over to you.
If there are, then it's an opportunity to say thank you to everyone in the UK that supported Concorde over all the years. We realise that Concorde has been a very popular aircraft, an icon of the 20th and 21st century, and she's been successful and popular because of the support of the general public, particularly those who've taken their time to come out and watch her as she's taken off and landing during the last 6 months, and we're very privileged and proud to be part of the British Airways team that's flying Concorde today.
It's wonderful. For the last and final time, contact radar 120.4.
Radar 1204, thanks for your help as well.
Bye.
Director, Speedbird 2.
Hello, 27 right for landing, range 29 miles.
Speedbird 2.
Speedbird Alpha Echo, descend to altitude 2500 feet.
Then 2500 feet, Speedbird Alpha Echo, we're localized established and reduced to 190 knots.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Echo, thank you, descend to 2500 feet, descend below that once established with the glide path.
Let's descend on the ILS, Speedbird Alpha Fox, established on the glide.
And what range is Alpha Echo from touch, please?
Report established, localizer runway 27 right.
300 the heading, on the heading we can establish and we'll call you 27 right, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox. And do you want us to come back towards 190 Alpha Fox?
Right, so reduce speed now 190 knots.
190, thank you, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, reduce speed 210 knots.
Speedbird 2, reduce speed 210. What's the range to touch of Alpha Echo?
Alpha Echo is now 14 miles from touchdown, established on 27 right.
Speedbird 2.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, descend to altitude 2500 feet.
Descend 2,500 feet and we're just becoming localized to establish 27 right, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird Concorde 2, turn right heading 190 degrees, base load 22 miles from touchdown.
Speedbird 2, right, 190.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, descend below 2,500 feet once established on the glide path.
Further descent on the glide, thank you, Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird Concorde 2, turn right heading 250 degrees, report established localizer runway 27 right.
Speedbird 2, right, 250, clear to establish 27 right.
Speedbird 2, reduce speed now 190 knots.
Speedbird 2, right, reduce 190.
Speedbird 2, descend to altitude 2500 feet, descend below that once established on the glide path. Speedbird 2, descend to altitude 2500 feet, once established, descend below that with the glide path.
Speedbird 2, descend 2500 feet, further with a glide.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Echo, just past 5 miles, VTT 162.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Echo, thank you. Contact the tower for the last time, frequency 118.7.
Stand by. Wording. 4 miles. Speedbird Concorde Alpha Echo. 3 miles, reducing speed 164. 3, 2, 1, now.
Concorde Alpha Echo, contact the tower on frequency 118.7. Goodbye.
And Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox, we're coming back to 164 knots.
Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, thank you. Speed as you wish, is 6 miles behind the company Concorde. Contact the tower, frequency 118.7. Goodbye.
187, bye-bye, and just confirming we are fully established 27 right, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2 just coming up to 13 miles from touchdown. It's 6.5 miles behind Alpha Foxtrot.
Bird 2, thank you.
Speedbird 2, 10 miles from touchdown. Thank you very much for flying with us. For your last time, contact the tower. Frequency is 118.5. Goodbye.
Confirm 1185 for Speedbird 2.
Confirm 118.5 for you. Goodbye.
Thanks very much indeed for everything. We've really appreciated all your help and support, Speedbird 2. Speedbird 2 with you. Drive path intercept.
Speedbird 2, good afternoon. Continue approach on 27 right, wind 360 degrees 7 knots. Still number 2, number 1's at a 1 mile final. Traffic information, police helicopter operating right hand side of the runway or remain north at all times.
Speedbird 2, copy, continue approach.
Wind check, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, the wind is 350 degrees at 8 knots.
Bird 2.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, first left turn, contact ground 121.19, bye-bye.
First left 1219, thank you, Speedbird Concorde Alpha Fox.
Speedbird 2, for the last time, you're clear to land on 27 right, the wind is 350 degrees at 8 knots.
Speedbird 2, clear to land.
Speedbird 2, first left turn, we've all enjoyed you over the years from ATC. Best wishes from us all, 121.19, bye-bye.
121.9 and likewise, thanks a lot, bye.
Geo stationary there.
Sorry, Speedbird Concorde 2, is that calling?
No, it's Alpha Fox. We're just inquiring whether Alpha Echo is actually stationary there now.
Sorry, say that again.
Alpha Fox is just inquiring whether Alpha Echo is stationary there.
Echo, he is stationary there.
Yep.
Speedbird 2 is with you.
Hello, Speedbird Concorde 2, position straight ahead behind the company aircraft for the photo call.
Bird 2.
Confirm 118.5 for you. Goodbye.
Thanks very much indeed for everything. We've really appreciated all your help and support, Speedbird 2. Speedbird 2 with you. Drive path intercept.
Speedbird 2, good afternoon. Continue approach on 27 right, wind 360 degrees 7 knots. Still number 2, number 1's at a 1 mile final. Traffic information, police helicopter operating right hand side of the runway or remain north at all times.
Speedbird 2, copy, continue approach.
Wind check, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, the wind is 350 degrees at 8 knots.
Bird 2.
Speedbird Concorde Alpha Foxtrot, first left turn, contact ground 121.19, bye-bye.